All right, you guys. So we're back at the site again, and the S.O.B crew is out here trying to get this worm. Okay, he came out, and he said that he wasn't suited up properly. He wasn't all the way prepared for them. So he came back with the sugar water and his brush, and now you can see him getting them in the box. And it's so funny how this is working out because the wife was saying that they were trying to get a hold of us to see if once they collected it, if we wanted them to bring them to us. So seems like we got us a free swerve, y'all. So this is yeah. So this is one of the techniques. So we thought the bucket was somebody else, but it was actually the S.O.B crew.
Before they leave their other hive, right, they saturate or they engorge themselves with honey.
Right.
And when they do that, that really stimulates wax production.
Right.
So if they sit here for a couple of days, they will literally start drawing out wax. They're just hardwired to do it.
Right.
I just keep saturating them with sugar water so they
Gotta keep them calm.
it keeps them calm and they kind of make them wet. They can't really fly as well.
Right.
And you can see the cone there already started drawing out the cone. See that little piece sticking out. So he's spraying the sugar water to keep them calm, you guys. He's really saturating them. He said he's spraying himself.
It's already tapered.
No.
Did you spray the bucket with the sugar water too?
Yes, I've been spraying.
That, yeah. Show us again, babe.
Kind of pissing them off.
Yeah.
Trying to.
Mhm. Hold that for a second.
Could I put those inside the hive that I already got working? It would be like brown, right?
Brown or black. Yeah.
They cleaned it out. Remember I told you there was a bunch of bees on the bottom?
I told All right, you guys, we are looking for the queen. This is the swarm that we were able to get off that tree the other day, you guys. So we did lose a lot, but the bees actually cleaned up a lot of the dead bees, and right now we're trying to find that queen, see if she's on these frames as we pull them out. Definitely got to develop the eye for that queen.
Not giving up on her. I don't always find them. They're doing. What I actually start off looking for when I can't find the queen or I'm wondering if she's there, I'll start looking in the cells. And if I see eggs, I know she's been there at least within the last 2 days. I've had a queen, 2 to 3 days. If I don't see any eggs, then I start worrying.
As you can see, you guys, the other hive is doing well over here too, so our friend is going to help us check that one out. So at the moment, we haven't located the queen as of yet.
And it just kind of keeps bending and bowing out like that. When bees draw out their wax, they actually lay it plumb, straight up and down vertically. So this is out here, and that they're barely going to do anything, and then this side, they may lay a layer of comb over that, and there could be a hollow space in there. But we hadn't found the queen. We're going to put it back just because they're comfortable with it. But later